Hi, it's Penny Zenker, your productivity expert, and I am the best-selling author of the book, The Productivity Zone: Stop the Tug of War with Time. And I'm doing a series on helping you with some of these new tools that you might not be familiar with, so that I use Zoom, and I wanted to just roll out a couple of quick tips on how to use some of the features. So if you're new to Zoom, then you'll be able to use it like a pro. And so one of the things that I want to talk about today is we want to talk about the background. So it's a really easy thing to install, and I just want to show you. If you go to Preferences, you can set that up. So you can go here to Virtual Background, and if your computer has the right settings, then it's going to make sure that you test it in the dimensions, but then everybody will have the same background, and then there'll be no distraction from different types of backgrounds. So that's one thing that you could do in your organization to kind of brand it and keep everybody the same. Another thing that you could do is have some fun. And maybe every week you can take the outer square and then you can block out the parts in the middle, because I'm going to be here anyway. So, that's just a simple fix on Canva, or you can even use PowerPoint that allows you to block out some backgrounds and remove backgrounds. Or if you're more sophisticated, you can use something like Photoshop. Or if you were a consultant, or like myself, an author, speaker. So what you might want to do is you might want to have a picture of your book in the back, right? So that it's on that side. So that that's sort of part of your promotion. So it might not be your logo that you have, but you have your book in the background, and there's a subliminal suggestion that maybe people will want to go buy your book. So if you want to go buy my book, there it is, the Productivity Zone. And you can also have some other fun backgrounds, in like we said, so just clean backgrounds. Again, the reason why you'd want to do it is to eliminate the distraction that takes place behind people, and also the distraction in our head where we're worried about what's going on and if somebody's walking by. So this will help us to keep ourselves focused, and also keep the team focused, so that there's not additional distractions that can happen with various different backgrounds. And the video is important. It's important that you see me and that we're focused on the meeting, because it's too easy if you tell people, it's okay not to have visual. Well, what's going to happen is you're opening up the temptation for, them going on to email or doing something else and some kind of multitasking during the meeting. So we don't want that. So this is how you set up your virtual background. I'm going to put in the notes what the requirements are for your computer. And if you don't have that, it allows you to set up a green screen. So you see that when I select the green screen, then I have to manually select the color that I want to use. Otherwise, my regular background is going to come up, right? So that's how it's going to determine my outline. But I don't have a green screen, as you can see behind me. So for many computers, it just works the way that it is. So that's today's tip and test on how to create and use your virtual background and why it's important. So thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.